Welcome back. This is on swing as already was on the Mapungo Pedzi. If you haven't heard, I at the David, but they are called one of the four one of the fair. What the one of the Wuzana Bangwe? Gusba Banana is currently in studio. The Kabza is in studio with the king of Amapiano, the Kabza and Kabza the small, and it seems to be going down. Caspper Nyovest. One of the funa was talking about his yamba was it Zangereda, Vareha Gusba. Uko dibiza mashonja popi ndiamba haningei studio Padumumbora Gusba Hanepala towards the end of last year or drop a EP Baba, which was well received by the public, even though we did have some of those people that were criticizing, saying it's not well mastered, it's not well this and that. But funny enough, some of the people, I mean, like your paper cut is one of the legendary DJ, and I was on the took my piano to the next level. Those documentaries that we played all over the world, but you could promote Amapiano from the beginning when Akotomo take over. Those guys worked so hard, and he's one of the guys that really endorsed that, hey, this is one hell of an EP. So he's on studio. We're expecting something solid. We're expecting something dope. We're expecting something. What the fuck on?
Where's deeper? Please, my friend. I beg you, please. Oh, now for something. Masterpiece for fatal something.
Yeah, not the fair. Ukushumiwa. Barimi laba kurepa na. Usumbedisa zore hapa petuna something solid, something very strong. Something is cooking, something is smelling in the kitchen. So I remember any Gusba, and it was not about na balava to wakizogo sasara zabachikomubizanga madina. They are busy now sharing and then cheering up. Like your Gusba, this Gusba that it looks like people only wait for you to succeed or to look like you're succeeding or you're sitting somewhere higher there, and then when we're going to join Amaranyang no pasi was to pull you down and try and squash you and destroy, your passion that you have for whatever you're doing. This is one of the Gusba was and Mambara and a mini. Kandidi Mutuania, where he's just free, he just enjoys being who he is. And what one says that we don't even see them at his gigs. They just talk about everything because they pick up a picture somewhere on WhatsApp or social media. But yeah, man, he's doing great, and we're happy to see that he's definitely taking over. I'm hoping that what he's gonna do after this, I don't know how many tracks they're recording. I don't even have a clue, but he must grab this torch and run with it. Unabanji baswana baneba wana opportunity cho radio, unabanji bagomba and wana mutu achihango, you know what, I gotta run with this torch, because if you're given that chance to run with the torch, grab it. Shabena yo man shabana chikuni acho nambe nifungendile chiapanda ivuleye zinombe zibona zori ini niyavuta. Make sure that you stream the EP, Nikamba EP, and Baba Gusba Banana. Make sure that you check it out on all digital platforms. Stream it on YouTube. You can check it out on iTunes. You can check it out on Spotify, Deezer, and many other platforms. Make sure that you check it out. Bafezuru kwamba mini adi pamashonja po piwone ndayandona. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, the like, the comment, and you can even share. Why not? Nda.